Hi.
Hi, Yuvati. Hi, Meera. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Mm, Searching something. Wait. Um, Interesting. How was the homework, Ma?
The home for the home.
How was the homework?
Um.
Yeah, I had some. I wanted to share some feedback on the homework. Abhiram, Nevan, did you have time to do the home? Did you have time to do the homework?
Like classes.
Neil, come here, come here, come. Let's start.
Were you able to do the homework? Nevan, were you able to do the homework?
Like a bit.
A bit.
Not a lot.
Not all of it. Okay. Hmm. Yuvati, yeah, ma, tell me, Yuvati. Yuvati, go
I
ahead.
didn't do the fraction homework yet, but for the other one, the word problems, all of them were different, but they were also like a little fun because they showed like different ways and techniques I could use probably.
I see.
Miss Priya, well, I did 7 in like the I don't really know if I did those fractions, but the fractions show like stuff which were not fractions. I don't know if they were fractions,
No, they
but
were on
I
numbers.
did.
Oh, no, no. Of the 50
They
only.
were like I did like 90 questions with the factors and 7 questions in the fractions.
I see. No, no. I saw your homework, Neil. I had some input for each of you. Okay. One thing, what I saw was, let me do it first. Let me tell you what I saw. Abhi has his hand raised. What was that, Abhi?
Um, I need to leave 10 minutes early because I'm going somewhere.
What is it?
I need to leave 10 minutes earlier because I'm going somewhere.
Okay, ma, Abhi. But did you do your homework?
No.
Okay. Doing the homework is important, you know. Then only you can catch up with the class.
Okay.
Yeah, Nevan, same thing with you. Neil, amazing. But my problem with you was, does your mom submit your homework or you submit your homework?
No one. My mom did.
Your mom did. Okay, I want to show her something. Is she there?
Hey, yes, Priya.
Yes.
Okay, this is my problem with your homework. Let me show you. When you submit it, right? Um, I can't see his homework. Okay, when you look at it, right? I don't know why it's showing in gray, but let me show you. This one, right? This one I saw. Okay, the problem for him, what I see is, you know what? I am also 1 minute.
Uh-huh.
So let me go back to that classroom. I'm sorry.
So I actually made a mistake. So I combined both the
That is okay.
word
That does not
problems
matter.
and
No, no, no.
questions.
I'll tell you my problem. I'll show you my problem.
Okay.
See here, when I click on it, it will not let me see. In the sense, see, view only. Uh,
That's what I wrote.
yeah. This is what you wrote. And suddenly it asked me for login, meaning it'll suddenly sign me out and ask me for a login. I'll be looking through. It will sign me out and ask me for a login. I don't know why that happens. So it would be great. See, here you have sent me a link, right?
I actually uploaded it from the drive, Priya,
You
from my
uploaded
Google
a
Drive.
PDF.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe in the Google Drive is where it's asking for access, I think, Maybe
No,
I'll
no, no.
Try to do it in a different way.
No, I feel you have done it right then. See, but meaning it just logs me out and asks for cam scanner password. I don't know why. See, but now this is not happening here. You see what I mean?
Okay.
If you don't mind, can I check once more? Because I did see the same thing in Chrome. Okay, it did whatever I'm saying it did. Hold on. Let me quickly. Oh, my Chrome has gotten mess. Okay, I don't want to take away time. So one another thing, right? Let him not write option 4, option 2, option 3, right? Meaning if he writes like this, it's a waste of time for him, right?
Yeah.
You see, so so yeah, he can just write 432, 432, and you meaning checking is okay, right?
Okay. Sure. Sure. Yeah. I'll
It
do that.
will it will it will help him with time, I feel.
Yeah. If
Okay,
he's in a
that's
good mood, he wants to write everything
I
elaborate.
see. Then I
If
leave it
not,
to you.
it's
If
other
that is
way
the
around.
case, I'll leave it to you. But just that I
Yeah.
didn't want him to waste time. And what is this all question mark, question mark, question mark?
I think I told
Does
him he
it?
have to solve 30 today, and he has, as soon as he reached 30 or something, he has stopped it. That's what has happened.
Yeah, well, I skipped 2
Oh
questions.
yeah, he has put 90.
Yes, put.
90, right? It means I said on that day he should have completed 90 questions. So he said he's completed 90 and stopped it there. Yeah.
Oh, so 8, 9, 10 is what you don't know or you didn't want to do. How will I know?
He didn't attempt itself. That's the
He
thing.
didn't. I didn't attempt question 4 and find one exercise.
Okay, so see, if you put a question mark, then at least I'll know. There were 1 or 2 question marks I saw. I thought of discussing that. But at the same time, see here, I know that I have to discuss exercise 2, question number 7. That I understand, okay? But rest of it, I don't understand anything. You see, if you can put question mark or something, right, then I'll know. For these, I clearly see that you have not, you have not even attempted. You see what I mean?
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
yeah,
I thought I did 90 questions in total.
but amazing. Okay. You did great. You did a lot of questions. I'm proud of you. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll quickly look through the question number 2, 7. Okay. Meera, one option was there a need for you to write it out, ma? Meaning, did you have to write out, work out, show the workout, and then do you thought, or were you able to do these mentally?
Like some I had to do it on the paper because I couldn't do it in my brain,
Okay.
and a few
No
of them I
problem.
had to do it mentally.
Absolutely. Agreed.
Well, I didn't know what the word common factor was actually.
Yeah, no problem. I wanted to check on that. Okay. Which of the following
I
number?
think
Go ahead.
4.
Yeah, that's the answer. You put a question mark.
Yeah, because at first I did not know what common factor was.
Yeah, now you know. Factor means
Yeah, and I kind of forgot to erase the answer.
okay. So hereafter, when you do it fully, okay, these are very good practice work. Okay. Very, very nice practice work. Okay. Can I move on now? I really want to do those word problems. At the same time, I want to do more of this. I can't do. Okay. We'll do what we can. So here, let's go ahead with those word problems. I really want to be able to do more of the word problems. Let's see. But before that, I thought of giving you a MIMES paper today. I just want to see how you guys do. I was ready with one, but where is that? Oh my gosh. I was ready with one. I think I have it here. No. Uh, okay. Shall I give you 1 second? I want to give you a contest paper and see. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes. Okay, but you have to finish. Meaning, finish means whatever you know. Okay, if you know it, if you don't know most of it, it's okay. Just submit with whatever you know. Can I expect you to do that?
Yeah.
I just want to see at least the first one, based on whatever we have discussed, the first one should be very much doable for all of you. Okay, let's see. First or the second, let's see. We are trying to get at least three by the end of December, not now, okay? If I ask you now, it'll be hard on you guys, okay? Let me go ahead and give you the first sheet. Okay, so can I share the link in the chat window, guys? This is just for you to try. All of you have pencil and paper with you?
I do have mine.
Nevan is not saying anything. Nevan, Abhi, do you have pencil and paper with you?
I don't have a pencil. I'll go get one.
Yeah, please be ready. Anytime you have to be ready for the class. Okay. So now let me go ahead and share the link with you. I just want you to try doing, at least you can discuss with me too in chat. Okay. So I get to know what you guys are doing. Got it? Okay. So you can go to this, submit the form quickly. I'll put a timer. Otherwise, time will run and I cannot do my class. Let me see. You're going to try out these problems. How many ever you know? How many ever you know, you're going to do. Okay. Slowly, I'm going to introduce solving using variables.
English terms me.
Let's see. Did you all get the question paper?
Yes.
Okay. We'll discuss that as well. One or two questions from there.
Go and chat.
Think about solving it in a different way. That's what it is all about. Think about solving it in a different way. Yeah, the first one is very much doable in a different way. Don't sit and multiply each of them. That's not what is expected out of you. Finding area on question number 3, think of it in a different way. Think of it in a very different way. It's easy.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma?
Do we write on paper or submit it?
You have to submit the form.
Okay.
Yep. Q4. The question number 4 and question number 5 are equivalent to problems that we are doing in class today, and we have solved 10 problems earlier, something similar to that. But I know it's hard on you guys to use variables with less practice we did. Let's see. Whatever you know. Oh, timer, I'm forgetting. I'm going to give 9 minutes on the timer. Come on, guys. I'll give you 8 minutes, okay? Talking and talking, we spend 2 minutes. Anybody needs any clue, I'm prepared to give, but you have to discuss with me in chat so I get to know what you're doing. How is the way you're trying to solve as well, please. Okay, so we are good with fraction, mixed numbers, I know, but I would like to start decimals with you guys. Okay, let's see. Decimals and time. Let's see. Anybody would like to discuss anything? Let me know on those questions. I can help too. Mm-hmm. I don't know how to count. Plus 10 minus 2. Meera, instead of counting by 8, you can add 10 and subtract 2. Adding 10 is easy, right? And then go back to. Yes. If you need help, you have to ping like Meera. Meera, does it help? Adding 10 and subtracting 2?
No, I still don't get it.
See, from 4, how will you add 8? 14. 14, go back to 12. You didn't get it?
No.
No problem. Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you, Ma. Just hold on. What I'm saying is, how to count by 8 you're asking, right? What I'm saying is, from 2, if you want to count 8 up, right? What you can do, go to 12, go back to 10. Again, add 10, but go back to 18. So how will you add 8 to 10, 18? How to add 8 to this 18? Just go up by 10. 28 minus 2, 26. You got it?
Yeah.
26. Next goes to 36, but you should not say 36. You should say 34. Do you get it?
Not really.
Okay, this is for question number 2, right?
Yeah.
I'll check you move on. Let me see. Meera, yeah, I was thinking, okay, see, you start with a 5. How will you keep on adding 8? Go up 10. Okay. If you add 10 and subtract 2, it is the same as adding 8. Make sense?
Yeah.
That's what I said. Go up 10, but go back to 13. You go to 23, but go back to 21. This is how you keep on adding 8 to this. You got it?
Yeah.
Now you really get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Go ahead. I want each of you to solve at least 2 problems. The area perimeter problem you can really solve, guys. Whatever you know, submit.
So what was the answer to number 2?
What is it, Ma?
So what's the answer to number 2?
You have sent me the answer? Are you saying that you sent me the answers, Ma?
Like, are you talking about, like, my dad
Yeah, number 2, yes. How to add 8. Keep on adding 8 is hard, right? That's why I said add 10 and subtract 2. In another 10 seconds, you have to start submitting it. I don't want to waste too much time in the class. I really want to show you to solve word problems with variables and go to decimals.
Like I did the first two problems, but like it says I have to do number 3, number 4, and number 5.
Okay, good job. Can you all submit your work now? Stop, put your pencils down, submit your work.
Yeah, like
Whatever you did, if you solved 0 problems, it's okay.
Yeah, but I can't.
Just submit it.
It just said I had to submit the third question too.
Did you submit it? Oh wow, Neil.
Like I can't submit it.
Okay, why?
So like I did the first two problems, and then it said I have to do this third problem too.
Okay, Meera, can you submit it? Ma, don't delay submitting, Ma. Then I'll close the form.
I'm not able to submit it. It keeps on showing me that I have to fill out everything.
Okay, just put 000 and send.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
It logged me out and I can't get back in.
Amma, no, nothing of that sort will happen. Meera, for you, I can do something about that, Meera. You can put a 000, just submit it, Amma. You got it?
Miss Priya.
Yeah, the questions are required, huh? Yeah. You don't need to finish. See, Meera, now you should be able to submit it. I have made it not required. Submitted it? Yes, I really want to see. I really want to see. It's enough, whatever you do. Okay. Neil, good job on the area problem, Neil. Okay, Meera, it was difficult for you?
Yes.
It was difficult.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay, let me go ahead and show you something.
But now I'm thinking about the problem that I was doing there, and now I kind of get it a little bit.
See, that's what I'm saying. Meaning sitting on one problem, solving only that at least gets you one score 1. You see, getting a score 1 or 2 is great to start with. So when you think about this, right, 1 or 2 of you have multiplied the entire thing. That's not what is required. I did tell you that you should not be doing it. When you write this differently, think differently. See, when you write this differently like this, right? But then this division, I can write it like this. Did you see? They are just being very deceptive. They're trying to deceive you. Think about this. What is 20 divided by 10? Who can tell me what is 20 divided by 10? What is 20 divided by 10? What is 20 divided by
2.
2? What is 24 divided by 10?
24 divided by 10, 2.
2. What is 28 divided by 14?
You mean 28 divided by 12 in that question, but I already said 10.
28.
But fine. 2.
32 divided by 16.
2.
See? What is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2?
16.
See? Was it easy? I will never ask you to multiply like this. If you end up multiplying all these, you are making a mistake.
Okay.
Okay, that is one. Number 2, I want to see at least 3 strategies. Let's see. If we discuss a MOIMS paper, at least 3 you should be able to do. Now, what I am saying is, what is the 25th in the sequence? There is a good way to do this, but I am not going to teach you the good way today. Okay, let's see this one, because certain things I want you to figure out as well at some point. You see here, Ronnie starts with the number 5. He counts by 8. It's very difficult for me to count by 8. So you know what I do? I add up 10, go back to 15 minus 2, 13. Then 13 plus 10, 23, 21. 31, go back to 39, go back to 47, go back to 55, go back to again 63, go back to. You can keep doing this, but you know what? You're going to do it for long.
I kind of got a better strategy that you can use.
What is that? You tell me, Mom.
Just focus on the 1 digit and subtract that by 2. And whenever you reach 1, you restart. Continue repeating that.
I really like that. Keep going then. What is the next number? I really like that. Go ahead.
61, 67, 69.
Yeah, 1 goes back to 9, but then the tens digit increases, right?
Yeah.
So what is it?
69.
69. Okay, then let me put the 69 here. Let's see.
70.
Help.
70.
Mm-hmm.
76.
76 or 77? Only by 2, right? It's going to reduce by 2.
77.
Reduce by 2, right? 85. Then 93.
93. Then 100. 109.
109. Good job. Then
And then 117.
okay, wait. 9 becomes 17. Yeah, good job. And then what?
And then 117, 125.
What, 25 becomes?
133.
So now where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, keep going.
141.
40.
We're at 1. We start to 9.
Start with the 9. 149. Then
157
157.
to
165.
165, 173, 181,
21, 22, 23. Then 189.
189, 196, 197.
Good job. So 197 is the
That kind of looks like
25th number.
2017.
But do you get it? Meaning, I want you to think about this in a different way. Can I tell you a clue? When you look at this, right, all have a difference of 8. Correct? How many 8? Okay. For me to get the fourth number, for me to get the fourth number in the sequence, what did I do? I added 3 8s. What 3 8s is how much?
3 is 24.
24 I added to 5. See? When I want to get my fourth number, I added 4 8s to this first number.
Okay.
When I want to get my sixth number, I added 5 8s to my first number.
Okay.
When I want to get my 25th number, I would add 5 with 24 8s. Did you get it?
Yeah.
No problem, guys. No problem. Did you? Either way, I'm fine. If you want to do this way by writing, I'm fine for now. Can I move on?
Sure.
Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's see this one.
Miss Priya?
Yeah.
I have a question for the last one.
Yes, please.
So, but I tried it another way by doing I did 8 times 25, and then I got 200, and then I did 25 times 2, which I got 50, and I did
8 times 24, ma. You want to get the 25th number means there will be only 24 8s. because number of intervals is 24, not 25. 25th number means you have only 24 intervals. You got it?
Got it.
So 24 times 8, that should be added with the first number. You got it? Okay, can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's see if we can do this one. Let's see. Oh, this trapezoid problem, I think, Neil, you got it, right?
Yeah.
I
I
saw.
suddenly remembered and
Guys, this was a very easy one. I was a little disappointed when I didn't see answers from some of you on this one. This was an easy problem, right? Why? Why was it difficult? I'm wondering. What was difficult about it? What, this constitutes a 12 square units clearly given. What are those 12? Each square is 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? To that level, you understood, right? After that, this consists of 3 units, right? Exactly half is given to the trapezoid. Exactly half of the 3 is given to the trapezoid. So 1.5 you give to the trapezoid. On this side, entire thing is 3 units. Exactly half of it is given to the trapezoid. Now add the 6 squares along with 1.5 and 1.5 makes up 3. So this is 9 square units. Make sense?
Yep.
Think about it in a different way. You'll get your answers so easily. You're just going to add the squares. And
My mom kind of says that a lot. Yeah, when I was doing my maths homework, my mom was saying that.
okay. So that's an easy way to do. Okay. Now, on another note, what was the other one? Yeah, these two are the ones I want to do as word problems. Hold on. Let me bring it up for you. This one, guys, I really want you to start using letters. Okay. Diagrams are okay. Everything is okay. But this is the time tested way which I have seen really works. And slowly you can get it. Meaning, I'm going to go through this slowly. But at the same time, I want every one of you to get what I'm doing as well. Let's see. Hold on.
Huh?
Now, let's go ahead here. Marty has 6 pogs. Marty has 6 pogs. So I will write down first. I will write down what are the people in the problem. Marty, Jen. Marty has 6 pogs more than Jen. Can I say the number of pogs that Jen has is J? Any letter you can take. Okay. From that letter, I have to, let me finish. From that letter, I have to write something for Marty. Marty has 6 more pogs means what is the number of pogs Marty has? Who can tell me? Huh?
Okay. Marty equal to J to 6.
Good job.
6
J
plus
plus
J.
6. 6 plus J. Good job. Now let's see. Wait, guys. I really want you to follow this. Whatever you don't know, first assign that to a letter. Whatever you don't know, you're going to assign that to a letter. What Jen has is what you don't know. So you can say Marty had 6 more, J plus 6. Now, we are done with this. After means there should be a separate row that you write after. After he gives 10 pogs to Jen. So what is Marty doing? What is Marty doing? He
Giving 10 posts to giving
exactly to Jen, he's giving 10 pogs. So what happens? This is what he had. So he's going to remove 10 from his account. From his hand, he's going to take away 10. Right? What happens to Marty? Marty had this, right? Marty, after he gives 10 pogs to Jen. Okay.
It's Jen minus.
No, wait. Let me redo it. What happened? Who is giving? After he gives 10 pogs to Jen.
Now it's M minus.
Now, who is giving 10 pogs to Jen? Who is giving
Marty.
10? Marty is giving. So first let's write for Marty. Marty is giving away 10 pokes means you subtract 10. Abhi, are you following?
Yes.
Good. Now, what will happen to Jen? Jen will be?
We'll have
Jen will be?
J plus
See, here what is happening? Marty
4.
gives 10 pokes to Jen. After that, we are writing. Marty has 10 more than what Marty has 10 less pokes because he's giving away 10. Jen will have J. What will happen to his? It will get added or subtracted?
So added or subtracted.
Marty is giving 10 pokes to Jen. So Marty's will be subtracted 10. For Jen, what will happen to the number J?
J plus 10.
J plus 10. Did you all get it?
Yeah, but for some reason it said 36.
Oh, answer?
Yeah.
Let me see the answer. Was the answer 36? Let me see. Then something would have made a mess. Marty. Maybe the answer was incorrect. Let me first check this. Let's first do. Answer says it's 36, but let's see. Marty has, okay, now Marty has 6 more pokes than Jen, okay. After he gives 10 pokes to Jen, okay, he's giving 10 pokes to Jen. We are correct actually here. How many more pokes will, okay, now, can we simplify this? Can we simplify this? Can we simplify this? Meaning write numbers together, write the letters separately. How will we simplify? Plus 6 minus 10. What happens here?
Plus 6 minus 10. Okay. Something plus 6 minus 10.
What happens? Plus 6 minus 10. What happens? Do you know?
Only it becomes negative.
Yeah, it becomes what?
Negative.
Negative what?
Negative 4.
Yeah. Here it becomes j plus 10. So what is the difference between them? Meaning,
6.
say 6. She has 4 less than j. This guy has 10 more than j. So what is the difference between the number of pokes they have?
The difference is 14.
14. How many of you did not get this? How many of you did not get this?
If no, but if it's equal number, like if this is both of them have the equal number and one of them give 10, that means that actual and then 6 more pogs. So then, so imagine if he gave 10. So it's negative. But what remains actually 6 more actually remains is 4 pogs.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, okay. Neil, can I go ahead and give you an easier problem and then we'll see this one?
Okay.
Come back to this one. Many of you did not understand I'm saying. So let's see this one. Okay. How about this? How about this? After receiving 10 candies from dad, okay, I had 16 candies. How many candies did I have at first? How many candies did I have at first? Did I have at first? Here, guys, no. Neil, I really want you to have letters. At first, let me put the number of candies I had is 6. That I had is C. Okay. At first, I had C candies. What did I do? I received 10 more from dad. So what happened after that? My number of candies became C plus 10, right?
Yep.
After receiving the 10 candies, the C plus 10 became 16. If C plus 10 is 16, what is C? Fact family, remember? C plus 10. Some number plus 10 is 16. What is that number?
6. Another way that you can use if you don't want to do more
6. So at first I had 6 candies. Did you all get this? Meera, did you understand this?
Yeah.
Abhi, did you understand how to do the letters?
Yes.
Nevan, did you understand how to do the letters?
Yeah.
Yuvati, did you understand how to do the letters? Okay, let me see, guys. I really want you to be able to do letters with very, very, very small problems. Let me quickly check. Wait. I'm going to give you more problems like this. I want you to use letters to do these. Let's see. How about this? Easy ones I want you to do. These are hard. Okay, let's see. These are hard. See, there are fraction problems, a lot of fraction problems coming in. Okay, you can't do that yet. Okay, let's see. This is hard. Okay, how about this? Let's see this one. Okay, how about, let's see, wait, I want to give you easier problems. These may not serve good. Wait. Okay, how about this? How did you all do this one? I saw Yuvati did it actually. Let me see. Let me discuss and see. How about this? On the first day of a school camp, there were 396 children. So let me write it down. Okay. Let me write down first day of camp. I had 396 children. Okay. After what happened after that? 27 boys left the camp on the second day. Who is going to help me write the second day? What happened on the second day? What happened to the second day?
Minus 27.
Good. 396 minus 27. I don't want to compute anything now. If there were twice as many boys as girls who remained in the camp, if there were twice as many girls as boys who remained in the camp. So now I need this number. Why I do need, what is it? Oh, okay, how do you do this subtraction? What is 396 minus 27? Abhi, how will you do it quickly? 396 split 20 as 20 and then a 7. If you subtract 20, you just disturb this digit, right? What happens if you subtract 20?
Then it will equal 376.
Nice. But again, from 6, I cannot subtract 7. So I'll again split it, subtract 6, subtract 1. If I take away 6, what would happen to this number?
It would turn into 370.
Minus 1, which is 369, right?
Yes.
But this many kids constitute, what are they saying? If there were twice as many boys. So can I draw like this? Twice as many boys. These are boys. These rectangles are the same. Two parts of boys, right? Twice as many boys as girls. These are all equal pieces. Okay, 3 exactly equal pieces because twice are boys, one part is girl, right? So the 3 parts will be equal to 369 means what is each part? What is each part? Who can tell me? 3 of these parts because they are saying if there were twice as many boys, see, this is boy, this is boy. 2 pieces are boys. Twice as many boys as girls. This piece is girls. But the thing is amazing that the 3 boxes are equal because the 3 parts. In that 2 of the parts are boys, 1 part is girl and each part is equal. 3 parts is 369 means what is 1 part? Who can tell me?
369 divided by 3.
Yes, 1, 2, 3. So each of the rectangle has 123 kids in it. Okay. Now, how many boys? First of all, how many boys? How many boys are there in the camp on the second day first? How many boys are there in the camp? How many boys are there?
So how many boys were there? Okay, so how many boys were there? You can add if you like multiplication better, you can probably just add multiply 2 by 1, 2, 3. Or either you could just use addition for a simpler way.
Go ahead.
And then and then now add starting from hundreds. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6.
But what are they asking? How many boys were there on the first day of the camp? What should I do?
So you should then see on the second day and then see 27 boys. Read this 27 boys and add it to how many boys remained on the
Good
kid.
job. Now question to Yuvati. How will I add that 27 to 246, Yuvati?
You could do
246 plus 27. How will you do?
you would do 6 plus 7
Not really. I want you to be a little fast. So 20 plus 7. So just add this digit. So what happens? I split this number into 20 and 7. So what happens? 246 plus 20 is what?
246 plus 20 is 266.
Good. 266 plus 7. I can't add a 7. It's so hard to add a 7. I don't want to do it. So I'll split 7 into 266 plus 4 and a 3. Now what happens? 266 plus 4 is what?
270.
70 plus 3 is what? 273. I'll never make mistakes if you do this. Make sense? Okay. Abhiram, Nevan, did it make sense?
Yes. Miss Priya.
Yeah, you have to leave.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ma. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good day. We
You
are, yeah. Let me see the next one. I want to do at least 2 problems. Let's see. Okay. I want to, before that, I want to give you more insight on how to write these. Okay. Let's say I'll ask you some questions. Okay. You tell me how you'll handle these. Okay. I have 3 pencils. Okay. Meera has 3 times as many pencils I have. How many pencils does Meera have? Meera's is more, right? So Meera has how many pencils as I have?
3 times as many pencils.
Yeah. I
So-
have 3 pencils, but Meera has 3 times as many pencils as I have.
So you do 3 times 3.
3. Okay, good. Now I'm going to change it a little bit. I have a letter I'll give. A letter can be used instead of a number as well. Don't worry about it. I had X pencils. Meera has 2 times as many pencils I have. So I have X pencils. How many pencils does Meera have?
2x.
2.
2 times X can be written as 2X. You got it?
Yeah, but you
I have X pens. Okay. Neil has 2 more than twice as many 2 more than what I have. How many pens does Neil have? I have X pens. Neil has 2 more than what I have. How will you write for Neil?
I mean two P.
2 more means what?
So 2 plus
X plus. Yes, Yuvati. Go ahead.
and x plus 2 is 2x.
X plus 2 is not 2x. X is different. We don't know what is x. You cannot add that with 2. You got it? If they say 2 times, I can say 2x. You got it?
Okay.
You see, 3 plus 2 is not the same as 3 times 2. You got it? X plus 2 you have to write as it is, x plus 2. 2 times means it's 2 times x. 2 multiplied by x can be written as 2x. Make sense? How about, this is a challenge. Let me see who solves it. Okay. I have T pencils. Okay. Nevan has 2 more than 3 times as many pencils as me. Who wants to try? Yes, I have a couple of you wanting to try. Neil has raised his hand. I'll also ask Yuvati and Meera. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ma. Yuvati and Meera, I'll ask you as well. Go ahead, Neil. What is that?
Okay, I have T pencils. Nevon has 2 times as many more pencils as me. 3 times, 2 more than. Okay,
So
so
how do I?
Nevon is equal to T 3T plus 2.
Wow, good job. Nevan has 3T plus 2 because 3 times as many pencils means it's 3T. 2 more is add 2. See, once you get a hang of it, it's going to be very easy. Good job. Now let's see one more. Let's see 2, 3 more. So I want each of you to answer that. Let's see. How about this? Shall we try this one with that?
Sure.
Okay, if you can solve it in the paper and please don't shout out, send it to me in chat. Okay, if you know, solve it in a piece of paper using whatever letters we discussed. Those are called variables. Okay, I really want you to get going with this. This is the only time tested way I'm seeing. We can draw models, we can do anything. Drawing is easy. But overall, whichever kid is able to pick this up is able to do nicely. Let's see. On Monday, Farmer Tom collected 3 times as many eggs as Farmer Jack. I don't want to write stories. I'm writing mathematics. So I will take this as Farmer Tom. I will take this as Jack. Number of eggs collected by Tom is T. Number of eggs collected by Jack is J. Farmer Tom is T on Monday. Monday, please write down clearly what you're meaning. Tom has T, but you know what? Farmer Tom collected 3 times as many as Farmer Jack. That means what should I do first? First, Neil, you have the answer?
Yes, and I want to tell you how I did it.
Wait. You're too fast for me. I don't know the answer. Wait. Yuvati, is that the answer for this one?
Which?
Was that the answer for this one?
Which one? The one on the board. What? The one on the board. Yeah.
Uh-huh. That is a little tricky. Uh, whoa, how did you solve, Neil? Can you educate me?
Yep, I did it in math homework. That's why I did it. I just sent the answer without solving. So first, I just was thinking of multiples of 3. I got 192 as the answer, as how much Farmer Tom had. So first, I just divided 192 divided by 64.
How did you get 192? Can you tell me how did you get 192?
I was just thinking for how much Farmer Tom had on Monday. So then I divided that by 3. It got me to 64. And then on Tuesday, I just decided to and whenever it said Tuesday, I decided to multiply. I meant subtract 192 minus 160. So then I got 32. And then I noticed that there he had and then Farmer Jack never sold eggs or do something like that. I had just noticed that he had 2 times as many eggs as Farmer Jack had on Tuesday.
Yeah, Neil, but the only thing in your way is where is this 192 coming?
Just is thinking of multiples of 3. That's why.
But it can be anything, right? Why should it be multiple of 3? Why should the multiple of 3 be 192? Others, I really want you to come up with ideas now. On Monday, Farmer Tom collected 3 times as many eggs as Farmer Jack. On Tuesday, Farmer Tom sold 160 eggs. Jack then had twice as many as Tom. See, one thing is we can go back as well. There are 2 different ways, 2 different strategies you can follow. One is working backward. Okay. From the last, you can go to the first on this problem. Meaning, at the end of Tuesday, what happened? If I don't, let me solve that way and show you. At the end of Tuesday, what happened? When Tuesday ended, Farmer Jack had twice as many as Farmer Tom. Tom had tea eggs. Tom had tea eggs. Jack had 2 times tea. Right? Now, on on Tuesday, what happened in the morning? Farmer Tom sold 160 eggs. But we are going back, right? So to go to Monday, you have to add 160 to Tom. Because he sold that off, but he need to get it back when you go to Monday. Now, on Monday, Farmer Tom collected 3 times as many eggs as Farmer Jack. So whatever Jack had, right? Farmer Tom collected 3 times. Farmer Tom had big, meaning more number of eggs, right? So how will you express that as an equation, as letters? Anybody? Meaning what do you think? Oh, okay. Let me go ahead and go step by step and show. So here, see, farmer. Okay, you want to go back, you can go back, or you can go from the front, you can go from the front. There are 2 different strategies you can use. You want to go back, you can go back from Tuesday to Monday. But whatever is given, you have to do the opposite if you go backward. Going backward is a good strategy to solve these problems. But going forward, I'll show you first. Farmer Tom. Okay, Tom had tea. Tom collected 3 times as many as Jack. So first I want to put Jack's as J. Then only I can say Tom is 3J. This one you know. So we collected information till here. All this is done. On Tuesday what happened? Tuesday suddenly Tom sold 3J minus 160. He gave away 160. Now what happened? Jack, nothing happened. Jack still has J. But what are they saying? From this, we need to write an equation. We need to create a balance. Farmer Jack, J, he had twice as many, 2 times as many as 3j minus 160. 3j minus 160 is a number. So that you need to multiply by 2. This is a little tricky for you guys to solve.
Yeah, it's tricky for me until I solve.
Yeah, this is tricky for you to solve. So let me go ahead and show you something. Suppose if you have 2, let's say, if I give you 2 times 3 plus 6, you know what happens? You are wanting to multiply 2 with 3 and then you want to multiply 2 with 6. So what do? You distribute the 2 to 3, you distribute the 2 to 6. So 2 times 3 first you do, write the 6 and then perform the addition with 2 times 6. That is a 12. That becomes 18. So to perform 4 times 2 plus 3, what do? You distribute 4 to 2, making it a 8. And then you multiply 3 with 4. That becomes 12. 12 plus 8 is a 20. Any questions?
No.
This we have learned it in Beast Academy 3. Now let me show you one more. I think some of you might have forgotten.
I don't really remember that.
Distributive property we must have learned, and in school as well, distributive property comes in 3rd grade, right?
But I didn't learn it.
Okay, how about this? Then I want you to know these. These 3 properties are so important. Let's see. 1 plus 2, is it equal to 2 plus 1? Is 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 1? Yeah.
Yes.
So when 1 is commuting to the 2's place, 2 is commuting to the 1's place. Commute means travel. See, so even if 1 commutes to 2's place and 2 commutes to 1 place, the value doesn't change. Okay. So in mathematics, we call this as commutative property in addition. Commutative property in addition. Make sense? Number 1. Number 2, let's see this one. When I do 1 plus, see if I put anything in the parenthesis, this is called a parenthesis. If I put anything in the parenthesis, those should be treated like very, very important people. They should be attended to first. Okay, now let's try this one. What is the answer for this one? Which operation will you do first? Will you do 2 plus 1 or will you do 1 plus 2 first? Who will tell me? Yes, Yuvati.
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1, because whatever is inside the parenthesis are very, very important people. So that becomes a 3. Then you do 1 plus 3 is a 4, correct? Similarly, the same thing, I can group 1 plus 2 as the very important people and then add the 1. What is the answer for that one?
4.
Yes, the same 4. So look at it. Whether I group 2 plus 1 or whether I group 1 plus 2, the answer remains the same, whichever I do first. So this sort of understanding, meaning whichever grouping I do for addition, that is called associative property of addition. Associative property. I associate 1 with 2 here. If I do that, I get an answer of 4. I associate 1 and 2. 1 and 2, the first 1 and 2 here. Then as well I get the 4. I associate 2 and the last one here. That is associative property in addition. Any questions? Any questions? Now if I give you this, 4 plus 5 plus 1 is the same as, how will I write? Associate. I have to associate 4 and 5 on the right side. What will I associate? 4 plus 5, if I do it together and then add the 1, it's the same thing. This sort of associating numbers differently and making sure their answer is the equal in addition is associative property. What is this property, guys? What is this property? 4 is walking and going here. 7 is walking and coming here. So what is that property called?
Commutative property.
Nice. Commutative property in addition. Quite important, guys. And then let's see. 4 times 2 plus 3. You can do it this way very easily. 2 plus 3 is 5.
Why?
5 times 4 is 20. Times, there is no operation means there is times in there. So 4 times 5 is 20. You can do that. Or you can do it this way as well. This is a very nice way. 4 times 2. This is a treasure in mathematics. 4 times 2 is a 8. And then add 4 and 3. Add the product of 4 and 3. 12, which is 20. Any questions?
No.
You know what? This distributive property, you've already been doing this. I told you how to do 23 times 3. Remember? Meaning, if you want to do bigger number multiplications, right? I have asked you to split it. You all remember or not? Here
Oh,
you are
yeah.
doing the distributive property. 3 times 10, 30. You added 3 times 4, 12, making it to 42. All the while you were doing. You distributed 3 to 10, you distributed 3 to 4, and then added them together. This property is called distribution over addition. Okay, you know what? For this week, let's not do the word problems yet, but I'll give you problems on this associative, commutative, and distributive properties. You should be able to tell which property is which. Quick, Mira, what is this property, ma? 4 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 4. What is this property?
Commutative property.
Good job. Now, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is this property, Yuvati or Neil? Yes, Yuvati.
Association property.
Good job. Associative property. How about this? 4 times 1 plus 2 equal to 4 plus 8. What is that property? What is that property?
Property.
What is it?
Distributive property.
Distributive property. You're distributing ice cream. 4 is like ice cream to the members of a family. So you're distributing ice cream to the first member. You're distributing ice cream to the second member of the family and adding them. You got it?
Yes, actually, Miss Priya,
Go
I
ahead.
don't really know if you. I know that I actually solved one. Yeah, I know I actually got one right. It was like
Yes.
when you called me or Yavati, both of us said associated property.
That's okay, but I know that you got it. Okay, good job, guys. I'll give you small problems where you can write expressions. You don't need to solve now. Okay, for this week, I'll do that. Any questions for me? I guys, and when is do we don't have class, right? We don't have class next 2 weeks. Okay, we will resume in the second week of August. I'll keep you guys posted, but you can catch up. Okay, I'll give you some revision exercises. Please do catch up. We'll start with the books. You all have to bring your books on in the second week of August when we meet. Make sense?
Yeah, that's the same week when my mom's birthday is there.
That's nice. Advance birthday wishes to her. And guys, you should come prepared with your books when you come on August 10th. We will rush through fractions a little bit. Okay? But if you want to do more word problems, I really want you to be ready with the books when we start in the second week of August. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, Swati, what is your question?
For the fifth problem and the word problem, it was a little for some it was a little easier than the others.
I see. See, I felt like it was very difficult. That's why I assign only 7. But I really want you to start doing the variables. Okay. See, when you draw, these problems become a little easier. But when you do the variables, it becomes very easier, but it takes time for you. Uttama.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It
I,
was
I,
easier than the others. I was able to do it mentally.
agree. Completely agree. Yes. See, the others as well, you can do it if you start writing the variables. I'll help you.
For my homework for solving them, I was using lots of formulas with variables.
I see. I see. It's okay. I'll do more of this in class than you can do. Okay?
Oh
Okay.
no.
Any questions?
For
Can we
some
all meet on August 10th? August 10th or
Please.
whatever, the second week of August. I'll send out the calendar, guys. I'm a little lagging, okay? But I will send out the calendar. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay, guys. See you all next week. No, not next week, in the second week of August.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Huh?